Ever feel like your body is just accumulating junk? Like a house that never gets a deep clean? Well, what if I told you your body has its own built-in cleanup crew and you hold the key to activating it? This process is called autophagy, and it might be our best weapon against aging. So what exactly is autophagy? The word literally means self-eating. But don't worry, it's a good thing. Think of it as your body's ultimate recycling program. Inside every single one of your cells, there are tiny structures called lysosomes. These are like the recycling centers. Autophagy is the process where your cells identify old, damaged, or dysfunctional parts, like broken proteins or worn-out mitochondria, and send them to the lysosomes to be broken down and recycled into new, usable components. It's cellular spring cleaning happening 24/7. But here's the problem. As we age, our bodies start to look a little like a hoarder's garage. Damaged proteins and cellular junk pile up. This clutter causes oxidative stress and inflammation, which are the root causes of what we call aging. Wrinkles, stiff joints, a weaker immune system. A lot of this can be traced back to this cellular mess. And to make matters worse, the older we get, the less efficient our autophagy process becomes. The cleanup crew gets slow, lazy, and starts missing spots. This decline in autophagy is linked to a ton of age-related diseases, from neurodegenerative conditions to heart problems. So how do we get the cleanup crew back on its feet? One of the most powerful ways is through fasting. When you stop eating for a period of time, your body goes through a fascinating metabolic shift. Your insulin levels drop, which is a key signal. This drop tells a pathway called mTOR, which is all about growth and building, to take a break. At the same time, it activates other pathways like AMPK and sirtuins, which are basically the supervisors of the cleanup crew. This combination of signals flips a switch in your cells from grow mode to repair and recycle mode. Autophagy kicks into high gear. Here's a simple way to think about it. Imagine your kitchen. As long as you keep buying new groceries and stocking the fridge, you'll probably ignore the old leftovers pushed to the back. But if you stop grocery shopping for a day or two, what happens? You're forced to go through the fridge, find what's still good, and use up those leftovers before they go bad. Fasting does the exact same thing for your cells. It forces them to clean out the old junk and repurpose it for energy and repair. Now, this isn't just a cool theory. The science is really starting to back it up. Countless animal studies, from yeast to mice, have shown that activating autophagy through fasting can significantly extend lifespan and health span, the number of years lived in good health. And while long-term human lifespan studies are tricky, we have compelling evidence that fasting improves metabolic health, reduces inflammation, and triggers immune system rejuvenation in people. So how can you put this into practice? There are several effective ways to fast. The most popular is intermittent fasting, like the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window each day. Some people prefer alternate day fasting, while others do periodic longer fasts, like a full 24 or even up to 72 hours. These different methods can all stimulate autophagy to varying degrees. The key is to find what works for your body and your lifestyle. And hey, fasting isn't the only tool in the box. High-intensity exercise also puts a healthy stress on your body that triggers autophagy. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial too, as a lot of this cellular cleaning happens while you rest. You can even support the process through your diet by eating polyphenol-rich foods like green tea, turmeric, berries, and dark chocolate. But a quick and important disclaimer: fasting isn't for everyone. If you're pregnant, underweight, or have certain medical conditions like diabetes or a history of eating disorders, you absolutely must talk to a doctor before you even consider it. This is about enhancing your health, not risking it. So while we can't literally stop time, we might be able to slow down its effects on a cellular level. By giving our bodies a regular break from eating, we're not just resting our digestive system, we're empowering our cells to take out the trash, repair the damage, and essentially, turn back the clock from the inside out. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone you know. And let me know in the comments section. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.